Hello, how are you everyone? I hope you're doing good. So, in last video we have studied the general characters of Porifera. Yes. And now, at last we are going to study about the phylum Porifera is divided into three classes. That is Calcarea, Hexactinellida and Demospongin. Class 1, Class 2 and Class 3. Correct. Classification of Porifera. Let's study this out. It is a very easy. First of all, let's study about Calcarea. What we'll do means we will comparatively study, okay? First Calcarea, Demospongin and Hexactinellida. This question can give you 4 marks in your SEM 1. So be careful. So first we will study the spicules. Spicules are calcareous, means made up of calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate, and they are marine, exclusively marine. And what is mono tritetra here? It is nothing but the shape of the spicules. And what is spicules? The out projection of we can say on the sponges is called as spicules. It can be 1 or 3 tri or 4 tetra. Okay. And osculum is the anterior part. Yes, I think everyone know the osculum, right? And it can be single or colonial, and canal system can be syconoid, leuconoid or asconoid. There are mainly 3 types of canal system is present. So it can be any of these, like syconoid, leuconoid or asconoid, and reproduction can be by asexual method. Okay. Now the main important thing is order. There are 2 orders. Order 1, Homocoela, which example is Leucosolenia. This is very important. If you do not write the order examples, you will not get the marks. Then the order 2 is Heterocoela, that is your Sycon sponges. Now let's move to the Demospongin. It has a leuconoid type of canal system, and it has silica spicules and spongin fibers, means horny spicules. Silica spicules means siliceous spicules. Now the shape of the spicule is tetra, means 4, triaxon. They are type tetra and triaxon, and all are marine. All are marine except Spongilidae family, which live in freshwater sponge. Now the color is pink. Yours favorite pink, brown, no one's favorite brown, and yellow, gray. And reproduction by both, it can be sexual or asexual. They can live in colony or solitary. Solitary means single, alone. And there are 2 types of orders. Tetractinellida, the example is rose sponge, and Monoaxinida, that is your spongilla. Again, examples are very important. Hexactinellida is syconoid type of canal system. Spicules project outwards, that's why it is known as glass sponges. Silica spicules means siliceous, and the very interesting and main important thing is deep sea sponges, because they live very deep, 1000 to 5000 deep. That's why it is known as deep sea sponges. And they has hexaxon spicules, 6 rays. MOB size pseudopodia form net, and reproduction is asexual. Now, because it is Hexactinellida as a class, so it has the first order as Hexastereophora. Hexa, everyone know hexa means 6, right? Hexastereophora means Hyalonema, and Amphidiscophora means Euplectella. Getting my point? So this is your total, what we can say, classification of Porifera. Let's revise in just a minute. Calcarea has what type of canal system? It can be syconoid, leuconoid, asconoid. And this, which type is this? Look at this name, Demosponges. S is coming, so syconoid system is not present. It is opposite. Leuconoid type of system is present. And if you talk about the Hexactinellida, it comes a letter L. So you will think leuconoid type of system is present, but it is not. The syconoid, opposite of this. Getting? Next, all are marine, but the middle one, Demospongin, has the exception of Spongilidae freshwater. Getting my point? Then everyone can be single colonial, single colonial, single colonial. And reproduction is in here asexual, and here Hexactinellida asexual, and here it can be both sexual and asexual. Now they are describing the colors here. One more thing is monoaxon, triaxon, tetraxon. Then from continuation, triaxon and tetraxon. And here is no tri, no tetra, no mono, directly hexaaxon, 6 rays. And the important in this here is amoebocyte, pseudopodia forms, net and deep sea sponges, and glass sponge. 3 important thing here. Spongylidae, about spongylidae is more important, right? And this is osculum is the anterior part. It is common point in all those things. Now order you have to remember it anyhow. Getting my point?